I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hey man, it's Widgetsmith, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So I know that you guys enjoyed that B-roll, and I know why you clicked onto this video, and it's because you want to know how to successfully, get that theme / aesthetic for your iOS 14 device. And you want to figure it out in a very easy to follow way that is simple and is actually going to be useful and help you with this. So from the two devices that you guys have seen, one was for myself and then one was for my girlfriend. And before this video even gets started, okay, I need you guys to vote. I got two screen recordings up on the screen. Who has a better aesthetic / theme? Like, I actually need to know. I think mine is different, unique, you know what I'm saying? Got the V-Lone in for the background, but at the same time, my girl, her stuff is, is visually just super pleasing to the eye. So I want to know, if you think that I got it, just comment down just Chris. And if you think that my girlfriend Francesca got it, just comment down Fran, and we gonna see who really got the best one. Okay, so it's gonna be broken up into a few parts. I'm gonna get started, and I ain't gonna waste no more time. Let's get it. Alright, so the first thing that you guys need to do to go ahead and get a successful, iOS 14 theme / aesthetic is that you gotta update your phone. So as we can see on the screen right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and put up a screen recording of me walking you guys through the process. Okay, my layout is different as you guys can see because I already went through it. But essentially, you're gonna go in your settings, you're going to hit general right over here, software update, and over here it's gonna load. It's gonna go ahead and just prompt you for it. You're just gonna click, download or whatever, or update. But I do need you guys to know that it's gonna take you a minute. Like, it took me like 45 minutes to an hour before it was successfully updated. So during the meantime, you can use your phone. It's just like after it goes through like the 30 / 40 minute process, it's gonna like go black, and then it's gonna have that process. So very simple. After you do that, you would then be granted, the update. Okay, and the second thing that you guys are going to need to do is, while you're waiting for your app to update or for your phone to update, start brainstorming and trying to figure out what you kind of want for your theme / aesthetic. Like, what things are you into? What kind of inspires you? What do you want to be reminded of? And what do you just want to see day in and day out? And for me personally, I knew that I wanted to, I don't know, like, one thing that I'm big on is like motivational stuff. So my first page, as you guys have seen, is this motivational quotes. So I made sure I had that, and then I wanted to have a section like with me and my girl, and then a section that kind of reminds me of my YouTube channel. So that's how I kind of broke up mine. So for you guys, while you're waiting for your app to update, start brainstorming kind of what you want and see like where your brain could go. Okay, now for the third thing. Okay, and for the third thing, this one is a very tricky one. Okay, you have to decide which apps that you want to display, okay? And it's actually so freaking annoying and tedious. It's because for me, I'm so used to just having that notification that I can see. So anytime I log into my phone, I can just, shuffle through, see all my apps, which ones have the little bubble, what do I need to open and check and whatnot. And with this, for one, you have to be selective with the apps that you're gonna have on your home screen. And then two, you're gonna end up sacrificing the ability to see notifications to successfully get your aesthetic. However, I will go ahead and say all of your apps or whatnot, they're gonna be moved to like a different location. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where it is right now on the screen just so you guys can see. Okay, so right now on the screen, you see my aesthetic. All you can see, I just have my color palettes, and then it just says like message, calendar, photos. Right here at the top, it has the quote of the day. You have this over here, but if you go right here, you have your app library, and let's say for social, oh shoot, I'm not trying to open that. say for your social, just go ahead and tap it. You should be able to tap it one time. You can see how everything goes ahead and it just pops up. And the cool thing about this that I actually like a lot is the fact that they organize it better than I had it before. And it's like, it happens right away. So as you can see, the categories, social, creativity, utilities, everything is in its own category. So you really don't have to worry about it. However, one thing that I will say is like for the top right over here where it says suggestions, you can't tap into it to see if there are like notifications. Whereas if I were to tap creativity, like at the bottom, okay, like as we can see right over here, everything pops up with the notifications and everything. So that is very, very cool. And it is a feature that I do enjoy. So just be mindful of that. You're not going to be able to have each and every single one of your applications showing at a given moment. You're going to have to select which ones that you want, and then you're going to have to select which ones you're just going to put in the app library, and you can still use and access it normal. So it's not really like a big deal. And now for the part that you guys have probably all been really waiting for, and that's like the real stuff. Okay, well, how do I get those little widget things? Okay, so again, I'm about to do another screen recording just so I can walk you guys through the process and the steps and whatnot. Okay, so you're gonna have to open up your app store. You're going to type in Widgetsmith. As you can see, it's the first thing that goes ahead and pops up, and it's going to be this first app right over here, and you're going to go ahead and download it. Now once you download Widgetsmith, I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like. So you're going to open it up, and essentially you're going to be able to like customize the certain like types of widgets. So you have small, you have medium, and you have large. So for example, I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap this one. So you're gonna hit default widgets, and then you can essentially just design it like any way you want to. If you want to tell you the time, if date, if you want to have some photo, custom text, you can change the font, you can change the tints, basically like the color of the text. You can change the background colors and borders, and you can do the whole nine. And the easiest, and if you want to go ahead and add it, this is essentially what you have to do. So just go tap and hold something, hit edit home screen, and just hit tap right here, and this is how you can go ahead and add each and every single widget. But specifically, if you want the ones from the Widgetsmith, you're gonna go here, type Widgetsmith, just like that, and you can choose to add whichever one that you like. And the second to last thing that I have for you guys is how to make app covers, and it's pretty simple. Okay, so first you need to figure out whatever picture or theme or thing that you want. Okay, and I'm just gonna like do one for example. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna record it. But one thing before I even go ahead and show you this, I need you guys to know this. Like, check this out. Like, it's so freaking annoying, like the process to even get this stuff, because it's very, very tedious. So you're gonna hit shortcuts. It's gonna open up. You're gonna hit plus, add action. Now you're gonna have to type open app. Tap that. Let's say you select any app. Let's say I want to put books. After that, you're gonna click these three dots. Of course, you're gonna have to write books, hit add the home screen, hit that X, hit books one more time, and then you're gonna tap this right here. Here's where you're gonna choose a photo. For me, this is like my color palettes. You gotta zoom in a lot. I choose this color, I hit add, and it's gonna be added to the screen, and it's right over there. So that is how you do it, and if you wanna go ahead and adjust it, just gonna hit edit home screen, and you can move it on over and stuff like that. But obviously I'm not gonna do that because I got my stuff set up already, and it already messed everything up, which I'm gonna have to fix. That is essentially how that part works, but I got a secret feature for you guys that's actually very, very cool. Okay, and this will actually be the last thing just for you guys to go ahead and get it set up. Okay, so check this out. All right. So look, we're gonna go into our settings. Right over there, you're gonna look for touch controls or accessibility, my bad. And you're gonna go into touch. Gonna go all the way to the bottom to back tap. So I have double tap for YouTube Studio, and I have triple tap for YouTube. So essentially what that means, if you look at the back of my screen recording's on, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I gotta do it again. This don't wanna work. Dang, this ain't looking good. there we go. After some time, it finally went ahead and opened up the YouTube app for me. But essentially, guys, this is everything. This is probably one of the easiest, I think, and straightforward, simple ways of just setting it up. Let me know how it was for you. I got two questions. Just one, let me know your theme and aesthetic, so send it to me after you finish. And two, let me know how long it took you to just put all this stuff together, because it took me hours. I'm not gonna lie, and I know for my girl it took her even that much longer. She probably put like 6, 7, 8 hours into like getting her theme and aesthetic. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. It did take me a little minute to get everything situated, but anyways, make sure you guys smash up that like button. I need 100 likes on this video. I usually don't do this. I mainly talk about like business and fashion on my channel, but I was like, hey, why not? I spent so much time on it, might as well go ahead and show you guys how to do it. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. But anyways, we're Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.